MPE is important to Australia because it keeps our projects moving, whether it's civil, construction, mining. Without MPE, Australia doesn't grow.
Every time a machine's down, every hour is costing the operator hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in lost downtime. And that's the major thing for customers to get back up and running.
So our MPE network is a network of repairers that concentrate on mobile plant and equipment repairs for us. So from a rollover to an easy bump, they will fix everything and everything for us. From a skid steer to a bulldozer, they'll fix everything to actually get their claim moving faster and get them back pushing dirt and back to work quicker. So all our MPE accredited repairers actually have auto authorisation, which means if a civil company comes to one of our network repairers with one of our claim numbers, they can get straight into the job, strip it down, quote it, and continue repairing it while still talking to NTI about how they're going to do it. This will reduce downtime straight away. Also have the opportunity to work with NTI Parts, who's a section of NTI itself. So for any of those hard to get parts, our NTI Parts team can help them get that.
It's a badge of honour to be part of NTI's repair network. We've been working for 25 years to get to this stage, and we were proud to be part of setting the standards that NTI are now implementing across the board.
The standards include things around equipment levels, training levels, tradesmen, and also down to their processes and policies within the business.
Partnering with NTI has helped us to review our standards and to make improvements in our business so that we can get even better at what we do and make sure that we keep that high standard in everything that we do. Our philosophy has always been to make sure that we provide a good quality product at a value for money price. And we understand the importance of making sure that the customer gets their parts or components or machine back as quickly as what they can so that they can get on with their own business.